Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. English has 12 main verb tenses. Understanding them makes speaking and writing much easier. Let's simplify all tenses in one video. Present simple. Use for habits, facts, or general truths. Example, I eat breakfast every day. Present continuous. Use for actions happening now. Example, I am eating breakfast right now. Present perfect. Use for actions that happened at an unspecified time or continue to the present. Example, I have eaten breakfast already. Present perfect continuous. Use for actions that started in the past and are still ongoing. Example, I have been eating breakfast for 20 minutes. Past simple. Use for completed actions in the past. Example, I ate breakfast yesterday. Past continuous. Use for actions that were in progress in the past. Example, I was eating breakfast when she called. Past perfect. Use for actions completed before another past action. Example, I had eaten breakfast before she arrived. Past perfect continuous. Use for actions ongoing in the past up to another past point. Example, I had been eating breakfast for 10 minutes when she called. Future simple. Use for actions that will happen in the future. Example, I will eat breakfast tomorrow. Future continuous. Use for actions that will be in progress in the future. Example, I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. Future perfect. Use for actions that will be completed before a future point. Example, I will have eaten breakfast by 9 a.m. Future perfect continuous. Use for actions ongoing until a future point. Example, I will have been eating breakfast for 20 minutes by 8:30 a.m. Conclusion. By practicing all 12 tenses daily, even a few minutes each, you can master English verb tenses and speak with confidence. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.